Have you ever seen in the movies when they use special effects to get a ghost to walk through a wall? Good effect, isn't it? All done with thousands of pounds worth of TV technology. Well, it's given me a great idea for an art attack. Here's the wall, and here is the ghost. Ooh, ooh. Good, isn't it? Simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. First, make the ghost. Now take an A4 sheet of grey paper and cut it in half lengthways. Then divide your strip into 3 equal sections, and then in this middle section, draw your ghost. Now just make him a floaty sheet type of ghost with 2 spooky eyes. And when you're happy with him, just paint him. Any type of paint is good for this, and obviously white is a good ghost colour. So once you've finished painting the ghost and it's dry, you can go round him again with the pen to make him stand out. And if you haven't got any grey paper, you could always paint the background grey at this stage. Now he needs a wall to walk through. For the wall, take an A4 piece of cardboard box card, find the middle and draw a line. Then, using your paper strip as a guide, the idea is to draw a slot that's slightly wider than your paper strip. So make 2 marks like that and then draw in the slot. And then cut it out. Whenever you need to cut something out of the middle of your artwork, just make a hole with a sharp pencil through it into some modelling clay. This way you can get your scissors in easy and make the cutting out a lot easier. When you've finished cutting out the slot, you could also add some battlements along the top of the wall and cut those out too. So, you've got your ghost and you've got your wall, but how do you make the ghost go through the wall? Well, here's the clever bit. Cut 2 strips of cereal box card that are about 15 centimetres long and fold them at the ends. Then put some glue on just up to the folds and stick the strips together, leaving these flaps free. See that? Next, fold the strip with your ghost on, fold it in half with the ghost on the inside, and slot where the paper folds in between the 2 flaps of your cereal box card, and tape them into position. Do it carefully on both sides. Then push the cereal box strips through the slot in your wall and keep going until the ghost is completely through the wall. And once it's through, lay it flat and glue the outside edge of each strip onto either side of the wall. See that? Back it goes. And again, the outside edge of the strip. And back it goes. And stick them both down firmly. And you know what? It works really well. Watch this. Woo! See that around the back? So now you need to design the front of the wall to make the illusion complete. Design a brick wall that covers where you've stuck the paper strip to make everything blend in. You could do a window. You could even do some spooky ivy creeping up the wall like this. And when you're happy, paint it a nice stony grey colour. And when you finish painting it and it's dry, it'll look like this. Great, isn't it? And there are all sorts of do-it-yourself walk-through walls you can do. How about this one? That's a ghostly knight, or even a headless horseman. That was the noise of a horse. So let's face it, who needs these expensive special effects? Try it yourself. Walk through walls.